In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the persona feature on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So I will show you what is the persona feature, how to use it, and how to find and export qualified leads using this persona feature. So basically, I will cover everything you need to start using this persona feature. So let's dive in. All right, so the first thing I want to show you is where to use the persona feature. So here we are currently on the homepage of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and you can see here that we have this feature, personas. Here on top, you have personas as well. And when you click on lead filters, you have this persona features here on top. So you have multiple choices to access this persona feature. Now let's see how to create our persona. And for that, we just need to click here on personas. And here you have the list of all the personas you've already created. So in my case, I have 3 persona. And if I go here, I can create a new persona. Just to let you know that on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can create up to 5 persona. So let's click on create a new persona. And now I can create my new persona. So the first thing I need to do is to give a name for my persona. So let's say that I want to target people who are head of marketing based in the US. And then I can use 4 filters to define my persona. So I have function, seniority level, current job title, and geography. I don't recommend you to use function and seniority level because these filters don't work properly. The filters that I recommend you to use are current job title and geography. So let's start with current job title. And here I want to target people who are head of marketing. So I write head of marketing and then I click here. If you want to add more job title, you can do that. But for this tutorial, I want to keep it as simple as possible and I will just keep head of marketing. Then here in geography, I just need to click here on plus. And now I can select the location of my leads. So here I want people based in the US, so United States, perfect. And same as current job title, you can select multiple locations. And then the last thing we need to do is to click on save to save our persona. And now, as you can see, in personas, we have our new persona, head of marketing based in the US. If you want to edit your persona, very easy. You just need to click on edit and then you make the modification you want. If you want to delete your persona, you just need to click here on delete and you will be able to delete your persona. Okay, now that we've created our first persona, I want to show you how to use this persona feature on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So if you want to use this persona feature, it's very easy. You go here on top and you click on lead filters. And then on this page, you scroll a little bit and here you can see persona. So we click on plus. And now what we can do is to select the persona we've just created. So it's head of marketing based in the US. So I click on it. And here what's very interesting is that in the current job title filter, you have head of marketing here. And in geography, you have United States. So because I've selected this persona, I have these 2 filters here. And then on the right part of my screen, I have all the people who match my persona. So as you can see, it's very easy to use this persona feature on this page. And now the next thing I want to show you is how to use this persona feature in the account page. So now let's move on to accounts. And then here on this page, I have all my account lists. So now what I want to show you is how to find people who match your persona in your account list. So let's check, for example, this account list tier 3. And now on this page, I have the list of all the companies that I've added on this list. And here on this page, what I want to show you is this lead recommendations, and it's based here on your persona. And for now, the active persona used for this feature lead recommendations is our persona head of marketing based in the US. And here you have lead recommendations based on this persona. So here, for example, you have Baron, head of performance marketing. You have Lucy, head of marketing project management, and so on. And basically here, you can find leads that match your persona filters. It's not always perfect because sometimes you have no results and sometimes the lead recommendations don't work properly. For example, here Kira is head of integrated marketing and basically she is not head of marketing. But at least it's an easy way to find some good leads. Now that you know how to use this persona feature, I want to show you how to export a list of leads using this persona feature. And so for that, it's very easy. So I'm currently on the page lead filter. And now here, I just need to select the persona I've just created. So head of marketing in the US. Then what I want to do is to add some filters. So I want a company headcount between 11 to 50 people. And then I want people who recently changed their jobs. So I toggle this button. And I want people who posted on LinkedIn. So with my filter persona plus the filters I've added, you see that we have 167 results. Now, if you want to export these people into a lead list and get their verified emails, unfortunately on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can't do that natively. And that's why you need a tool like GiveMeLeads to export your leads and get their verified emails. So if you want to try GiveMeLeads, you can go on givemeleads.io or you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. Here, you just need to click on Start for free. And then on this page, you just need to create your account. Once you've created your account, you just need to connect your LinkedIn account. So you click on Connect a LinkedIn account. And then here you need to enter your credentials, so email, password, and then you click on Login. Then if you want to export your leads in just one click from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you need to install the Chrome extension. And for that, you just need to click on Install Extension. Then you click here on Add to Chrome. And then you click on Add Extension. And then you will see on LinkedIn Sales Navigator that you have a button like this one, Extract Leads. So once you are happy with your search and you want to export your leads, all you need to do is to click here on Extract Leads and you will be redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. Then you click on Continue and then Save and Export. And now all I need to do is to give the number of leads I want to export. So for example, let's say 150 leads. And now all I need to do is to click on Export Leads. I've just renamed my export with the filters I used on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and now I need to wait a little bit before I get my export. All right, so as you can see, my export is completed. So now all I need to do is to go here and click on Download and then Download CSV. And here we are, we have our list of leads. So as you can see, we have 150 leads. Yeah, 151, perfect. And on top, you will find some information that you can use for your outreach. So you have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. You have the verified emails of your leads. So it means that it's safe for your deliverability to send emails. You have the job title. So as you can see, head of marketing, advisor, head of marketing, and so on. Location, and you have some company details like the company website, company location, company industry, company employee count, and much more information that you can use in your outreach. And now what you can do with this list of leads is to upload it in your CRM or your favorite outreach tool. And this is it for this persona feature. And now if you want to export your leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get the verified emails in a clean list file like this one, you can click the first link in the description. And now if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use a LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. So I see you either on GiveMeLeads or in the next video. Bye bye.